Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will share you one Excel file about counting. We will practice counting with the sumproduct formula array function. As you see, we will have a table with the request count the occurrence in 3K. After finish, you will have a table like this with full data. Now I will show you how to use sumproduct to count data in this table. Okay. First up on you download file I put in description below. After finish, you will have a table like this. We will count in 4K raw mode to be less low data and work on weekend. Now we will with first raw mode day shift before 8 AM in raw mode, light shift before 7 PM in raw mode. I will input sumproduct formula in here. Equal sumproduct open parenthesis. First conditions is counting from Monday to Saturday, not count Sunday. So condition is different sun. Okay. Multiply second condition. Only count time smaller than 8 AM. Smaller than time open parenthesis 8 AM. We will use time formula in there. Okay. The third condition, not counting blank cell. So these are different blank. We press enter. We can check by manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. Let's request to be late come after 8 AM with day shift and 7 PM with light shift. Because it's day shift, so I still input sumproduct open parenthesis. Same with beside cell. Only count from Monday to Saturday. Different sun. Second condition, time bigger than 8 AM. Close parenthesis. The third empty. Different empty. Close. Only one. Go back to this cell. I think we need to change the condition in there. This rank smaller than or equal. If come to us 8 AM, we still not it's still okay. Okay. Low data, low working, exclude Sunday. Sumproduct again. Open parenthesis. Different sun. This rank equal blank. Enter 1. Thursday. Work on weekend. This means working on Sunday. Equal sumproduct open parenthesis. This rank equal sun. Second condition, this rank different blank. Okay. We input the same formula in row below because it's in day shift. We can copy formula from this row to below, but we need to lock this rank. first because we refer grid rank to find dates in week. Okay, now grid rank. You can style a formula again to remember, but in case I will copy formula to below by press Ctrl D. As you see, we have exactly result. Row files is like zip equals sum product. Open parenthesis. Don't need to knock because only have this row. But if you have big data, you have to lock this rank about this in which to refer formula to other cell. Open parenthesis. Equal different sun close parenthesis. The second condition. I will lock this down. Smaller than or equal time 7 p.m. The third condition. No empty cell. Different. Empty. Close parenthesis. Enter. To be list equals sum product. Open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. Knock this rank. Different sun. Close parenthesis. The second condition. More than 7 p.m. The third condition. This rank different empty. Enter. This is 7 p.m. Okay, only one. No data. Equals sum product. This rank lock. Open parenthesis. Here. Different sun. Close parenthesis. The second. Equal empty. Okay. Go on weekend. Equal sum product. Open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. This rank lock. Equal sun. Multiply. Different. Empty. Okay. As you see, I use multiply object because all conditions need to occur simultaneously. This only count if only condition not okay. It don't count. So I finish this table. You should do by yourself first. After that, refer my process to compare. Okay, so I already finished files with request counting. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.